In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Calendly. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. Go ahead and open your browser and sign into your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, you should land on your main Calendly home dashboard. This is the page where you normally see your event types and upcoming meetings. From this dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. This is usually shown as your profile picture, your initials, or your name. Click on that profile section to open a small drop-down menu with more options related to your account. In that drop-down, find and click on the option labeled All Settings. This will take you away from the dashboard and into your main account settings area. Think of this page as the central place where you can manage everything about your Calendly account, from notifications to integrations, and of course, your login details. Once you're on the settings page, look through the menu and locate the section called Login Preferences. Click on Login Preferences to open the options that control how you sign into Calendly and which email address is associated with your account. This is where you'll make the actual change. On the Login Preferences page, you'll see an option that says Change Email. Go ahead and click on Change Email. This is the starting point for updating the email address that Calendly uses for logging in and for sending you notifications. What you see next can look a little different depending on how you originally created your Calendly account. If you signed up using Google, Calendly may redirect you to a Google account chooser. In that case, you'll be asked to select the Google account you want to use as your new login email. Simply choose the correct email from the list, or sign into the Google account you want if you don't see it right away. If you didn't sign up using Google, Calendly will show you a different but straightforward interface. You'll typically be asked to type in your new email address directly. Make sure you enter it carefully and double check for any spelling mistakes, because this is where future notifications and confirmations will be sent. After you confirm your choice, Calendly may send a verification link to your new email. Be sure to open that email and complete the verification so the change is fully applied. Once that's done, your Calendly account will be using your new email address.